What's going on, guys? You asked and we gave it to you. You guys always requesting for new builds, something different. You've seen our Rangers, you've seen our Hiluxes. This time we're doing it bigger and badder than ever before. I've got an MQ Triton behind me coming in for the full auto craze treatment. Front bar, rear bar, racks. Bloke's a tradie, he's going to be using the car off-road. Stay tuned, guys. I don't want to throw too much off, but as I mentioned, you guys asked and we gave it to you. Stay tuned.